Passage number 15. Start. I am directed to refer to this department's circular letter of even number, comma, on the subject noted above, and to state that the chairman, comma, Punjab Public Service Commission has appointed out certain causes leading to delays in the selection process in the commission, comma, as highlighted the requisitions received from the departments are incomplete and back reference made by the commission to the department take a lot of time which results in excessive delays, full stop. The requisition placed with the commission by the departments to indicate whether prior approval of the finance department has been obtained where the posts are to be filled in on regular basis, full stop. The requisition placed also do not indicate whether the relaxation required under section of the Punjab Public Service Commission bracket functions bracket close rules for contract appointment has been obtained, full stop. The commission has further observed that it is the primary function of the requisitioning department to ensure that the requisition is complete in all respect, include the relaxation of rules accorded by the competent authority, full stop. The Punjab Public Service Commission has decided that in future the commission, comma, on the receiving of requisitions, comma, will process the case on the assumption that the requisite permission oblique authority required under laws oblique rules has been duly secured, full stop. The responsibility of ensuring that this is so, comma, will be with requisition PCS rules, comma, 1947 department and the commission, instead of involving itself with a second scrutiny, will proceed with the advertisement and other consequential steps for selection, full stop. I am, comma, therefore, comma, directed to convey the desire of the Chief Minister to consider the above observations of Chairman, comma, PPSC, comma, Lahore carefully and ensure that no lapse on the part of requisitioning department occurs while sending the requisitions to the Punjab Public Service Commission so as to avoid delay in the selection process as well as other completions which may arise after the completion of selection process, full stop. Paragraph. I am directed to refer to this department's notifications of even number whereby the following sub-rules have been added to Rule of the Punjab Civil Servants bracket appointments and conditions of service, comma, oblique rules, comma, 1947. The appointing authority shall complete the process, full stop.